Y'all, before we get into this video, check out the swag for the day. I ain't do my hair or my makeup, but check out the swag. You know, got the rose gold. And, you know, the jeans. Yeah, and the shoes. Check out the shoes. Shoes, pink shoes. Go with everything, you dig? Alright, now, I know what y'all came here to see, because y'all seen by the title. So now let's get to this video. Yes. What's up, you guys? Sorry it took me so long to come out with this video of my furnished house tour of my house, but it's been so much been going on with work and doing so much with my house, just a lot of things, family stuff, a lot of things been going on. So I have not had the time to actually film it, but my house been done, but haven't had the time. So with further ado, let's get into the video. You dig? Okay, so right when you come in, this is the front door. You can see it. Right when you come in, that's the front door. I wish it was that's trash. I think it's throw away. I wish it was like a landing, like little concrete, whatever you want to call it, right there, but it's not. But this is the table. I made those, by the way. Like, I put the flowers and stuff like that. It's actually like, I don't get a house to describe it, but yes, I made those. And this picture has been in our family for a long time, so it feels good to actually have it in my house. So here goes like the overview. This is like the dining room, kitchen, and this is where I put shoes at and stuff. And then I have a ceiling fan, clock. This is the kitchen. Dude. My family just came over, so they just gave me dishes, so now I have to wash dishes, and it was eating, so yeah, to wash dishes. This is a kettle to warm up hot water, coffee maker, stove and stuff, microwave. I have a little bit in my cabinets. I have a little bit of food in my cabinets. I ain't gonna measure grocery shopping. I keep dishes in there, and what's keep it here? Oh, Tupperware. What's in here? Oh, I keep food in here too. And then freezer. It's a little bit of stuff in there. Refrigerator. It's a little bit in there. And then I have cabinets in here. I love all the cabinet space. Like, I really do feel like I have a lot of cabinet space in here. Dishwasher. I always have a dishwasher. So I love my kitchen. So then come in here. This is a coat closet. There's no light in here, but this is where I hang up all my jackets, and it got a little far back. And then shoes, heels. And then these are pictures. That's me and my sister and my family. TV. Lights, pictures over there. That's the patio, and this is my beautiful furniture. I keep blankets over there, so that's why you see that blanket. And then I painted this, by the way. I painted that. And then this, my grandmother gave me those, and then I put lights up there just for like at nighttime when I want to turn up the full light. I got that. And then this is the rug. I got this rug with the couch, but I mean it looks like it goes a little bit. It doesn't look like it goes, but I mean I think it goes enough. And I love these couches. I love the setting in these couches. Heater. So then this is the furnace, but we're going to the, and I'm thinking about putting something right here. I'm thinking about putting like either like pictures, 3 pictures, or I don't know, but I'm also going to put like this decal, or I saw on Amazon. I'm gonna put, it's gonna have love there. This is the linen closet. Iron, my makeup brushes I put there right now. Hair stuff, makeup towels, hair stuff. I have a bunch of hair stuff, by the way. And that's a mirror. I want a bigger one, like a big, huge one. Like a big, huge one. That's my next thing to get. I have to get. That's the only thing I have to get in my house. Now, this is sentimental to me, you guys. This is, my pawpaw made this. My pawpaw died when I was 6 years old. I am 25 now. So that's a long time ago. I can't do math right now. But my pawpaw made these. So it's very sentimental to me that I have these. So I'm very happy that my mom kept them and gave them to me and stuff like that. Not to hang them on the wall. But this is my office, you guys. And then I'm a lifeguard in the summer. So it's my lifeguard hat. This is a chalkboard with the days, like a circle and stuff like that. And you guys, I put my TV on my wall by myself for the first time. I'm so proud of myself. So I put my TV on the wall. This is, my aunt just gave me this. There's nothing in it. I'm gonna figure. I think I'm gonna put all my planner stuff in there and stuff like that because I'm about to have a whole lot. This is, my mom gave it to me. It's a memory keepsake thing. And it has like all stuff growing up that my mom put in there. Oh, I feel. But this is, I put my high school diploma here. And some cards that I got for my birthday. And my aunt drew this and made this for me. And then this is Bless Your Heart. And I put lights all around it. And then these tubbies are filled with stuff. And then this, my papa also made that frog too. And then this is when I went to Vegas. This is my Vegas little slash thing. So, and I put like purses there to decorize. This, I'm a huge Star Wars fan. Huge Star Wars fan. So this is my whole entire Star Wars collection. And then I have books and papers and stuff. And then I painted that. I drew and painted that. And these are little pictures of me and my family. Like, that's me and my dad and my brother and me. It's me. It's my godson and me. That's my parents, my mom and my dad. And this is my mom also. And this is me. And that's my aunt, my godson. And this is my pawpaw, me. So I didn't want to put anything right there, like the actual pictures right there. So I just put pictures on the sides of them. Oh, let me turn on some light because it's like later in the day. It's like 4 o'clock, but it's starting to get light. Starting to get dark, I'm sorry. So these are my Vegas shirts. I actually got those made in Vegas. This is me and my boyfriend. We got shirts made for this thing that we had to do. So he has one, the exact same thing. But his name and say Abbas on his, but the exact same thing. And I just hanged it on the wall because I'm not going to wear it no time soon. And then that is sentimental to me. That onesie, girl onesie. I will leave that for a whole different story, a whole different vlog. That's my Vegas shirt when I went to Eminem World in Vegas. And that is also my cousin. He's a singer this year. And so that's his basketball shirt for senior night. And so I painted this wall also. And this is my desk. This trash can. I love this trash can. It's like, has so many words on it and stuff like that. And it's gray. I love it. So I'm going to come around here so that you can see it. So I have printer here. My cutting utensil where I cut paper. Hole puncher. My mouse. My notepad. Star Wars. My laptop. That's a picture of me and my aunt, me and my mom. That's a cactus. That says brave. And I actually made this also. I think I'm going to show you on the other side too. And that's where I keep all my pens and goodies and stuff. And this is like the overview of what I see. Oh, no. I can zoom out for you guys. But yeah, that's as far as I can zoom. Because really, this room is really, really, really small, you guys. Like, oh, and I put some hats up there. Put some hats up there. This room is really, really small for you guys. And this is a closet. I put like a lot of, these are sweaters. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff in here also. But I love that it has these in this closet. I love that. I have a million and trillion clothes too, by the way. But yeah, this is my office. I make this into a office. So now, this is the bedroom. This is so cool, you guys. Let me just tell you guys this first. This my mom made. This is basically, oh, focus. Okay. This is basically a puzzle, but it's like a clip from the puzzle, and I mean it's like a clip from the movie, and each puzzle piece. Like, I don't think you can see it that well. I don't know. I don't think you can see it that well. But yeah, my mom made this, and so I put it in a frame, and then I hung it up above my window because I just thought it was just so cool. So this is my favorite part of the room. I love this wall. Like, absolutely love this wall. It's Paris themed because my bedspread is Paris also. And my mom and my sister made this by hand. And that's a heated blanket also, because they get cut at night. And so, since my bedspread was Paris, I was like, okay, let me get everything else Paris. So I found these pictures and stuff like that. So I'm like, oh, I'll put it on the wall. Stuff like that. I wish they were bigger, but it's okay. It's Paris. And then this is another closet. I put all my skirts that way, and then all jeans and pants and everything like that. And I put tops. And then those are sweatpants, purses, and belts. And then those are dirty clothes. TV, dresser. I put my humidifier, my cold one. This is a what is that? A oil or something like that, warmer thing. I got that at 5 and Below. I can't remember exactly what that is, but you put oil in your necklace and it smells good, I guess. And I hung up some of my necklaces, and that's a warm humidifier. Put lotion there, some hair stuff, some perfume, and this is like jewelry I just stuck there. And then I put tank tops, purses, and leggings, and my other stuff. And I put house shoes right there. And I put my purse down there for when I'm here. And then that's just stuff I just keep on my desk. Some lotion. That's my dog that I had when I think I got it when I was like 4 or 6. And then we had to put it down like my sophomore year of high school. So that's my dog I have like for almost half my life. But yeah, this is my room. You see it? I just love my room. I just love my room. Okay. So this is storage. I don't think I need to turn on a light, but this is storage that I keep my vacuum, my mop, and just stuff that I do not need right now. So that's the storage. And this is the bathroom. I love my bathroom. How I designed, I love my bathroom. I do not necessarily love my bathroom because I do not like this mirror. I literally hate this mirror. But if anybody knows this is a Harry Potter bathroom. Like, this is my shower curtain and stuff like that. This is, you got Gryffindor, Slytherin, Ravenclaw, and then Hufflepuff. Oh no, Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. Yeah, Hufflepuff and Ravenclaw. I always get these two mixed up. I do not know why. But then I put the towels like that. And this is Platform 9 3/4. If you know the movie, you know what this is. That's all I gotta say. You know the movie, you know what this is. This is Ministry of Magic. If you know the movie, you know what this means. And I say it this way. If you've seen the movie, you know what this means. And I got Ministry of Magic, the M on the door. And then I also have a scale with my towels. These are decorative towels, by the way. These two. These don't get touched. And I get mad when anybody come over my house and use the bathroom and they touch these towels. Like, I get so mad. Experialis. I cannot say it right now. Experialis. It's like a when you wave your wand and they said it on the movie. I can't say it right now. But I did the test and I am in Gryffindor house. So that's why I have a Gryffindor pic on my wall. And this is also a quote from Albus Dumbledore. Oh, focus. Okay. There's also a pic from Albus Dumbledore. So I like this saying, so I put that on there. And then this is just like all the stuff from the movie that I just thought that was just so cool. So I actually got this. And I actually printed these out. I printed these out and I actually just put them in there with you guys. So I DIY'd that. Awesome. So yeah, so this is my bathroom and I just love it. Oh yeah, here go the bottom of the thing. And I just love it. So here go another overview. Well, you guys, I hope you like my furnished. I don't know why I keep getting that stuck in my head. Oh my gosh, Sierra. Anyway, I hope you like my furnished house tour. I love my house. I had fun decorating it and putting this all together. I really did have fun because it's home. It's home. I mean, so I just feel like it should be how you want it to be. So I actually have fun doing it. But yeah, so I am going to get back on my grind though. I am going to get back on my grind and putting out videos for you guys because I have been slacking. Because first off, it's just been hectic. My life has just been hectic with just work and just doing different stuff. Like I have not just sat still. Like I have not yet. Like, but I'm going to be on the grind. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell.